Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making my buns, and we're going to use the 2 cups of flour and 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, and then we're going to use 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. We're just going to add all this stuff into a bowl with 4 1/3 cups of water, and make sure that water is warm. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon applesauce. And we're going to go ahead and add in some of this flax eggs. You can follow the directions on the package. And then you're just going to mix it all up together. And you're just going to add a little flour and start kneading. And I used about a cup of flour. And it'll be a little sticky. You know, the dough will be a little sticky, but trust me, it'll work itself out. You want to just get that kneaded just about 10 minutes maybe. I didn't really time it. Shape it into a ball, and you're going to let it rest and cover it. You know, you're going to let it rest until it raises double the size. In the meantime, you can prepare your baking sheet. I have one of those mats, you know, you could put there and throw some cornmeal on it. Then you flour up your workstation. See how that rose? Beautiful, huh? 10-15 minutes. Throw that on your surface and start weighing. We're going to weigh them to 4.5 ounces. And if you have any remaining pieces, you're just going to add it right into the ball. Make your ball, slightly flatten it out. Add your cornmeal there on your pan. And slap that sucker right on those trays. We're going to set the oven for 195. And we're going to make ourselves a proof. So what we're going to do is fill that with water. And you put it right in your oven like that. Proof box. I couldn't think of the word. There it is. And there you go. Put them in. So if it's cold outside, you can raise your buns right inside. Like I did. It was cold. And when they come out, that's what they'll look like. See? They rose and they're touching. About 20-30 minutes. That should be fine. If you have sesame seeds, grab your sesame seeds. Get a little spritz bottle and spray the water on top of your buns. Sprinkle on those seeds. Don't be shy. Put them right on there. There you go. See what they look like? They're beautiful. Now you just cover this real lightly while your oven's heating up. We're going to heat our ovens up to 425 degrees, and we're going to bake those suckers for 15 minutes. No problem. It'll come in and come out. It'll be nice and brown on the bottom. Beautiful. Now these buns will last a good 2 days, and they're a little bit heavy, so don't be leery of that. A little bit heavier than a regular white bun, because remember, they're wheat. They're heavy, but they're delicious and they're filling. There's my Sloppy Joes. You probably saw that video. If you didn't, go back and look. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for